And we are back on the channel again. Welcome back. As you see, we've got it jacked up really well, both sides at once under that cross member, because did disc and pads on the other one, and then these ones got jealous and started grinding. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the pads. We're not going to do disc because this one's not worth putting discs on. So we're going to do the pads in a very efficient way. Basically just throwing the shitters in and not fucking about cleaning them or anything. You're just going to throw them in as fast as possible, within reason. So this is what we need. We need a buzz gun, Formula 1 pit stop shit here, another buzz gun because that's for the sliders, and then some sockets. I have to go and come back because I've got a phone call, so I don't think this is going to be quick because I think I'm going to keep on getting asked to do shit off people. But 17mm for the wheels, and then it's going to be either a 12 or a 13 on the back of the caliper. Right, so now we're going to go for it, and we've sort of like, well, we've took that off ready, so I've actually found a friend who wants to hold the camera for me, so he's going to hold the camera there. Right, we're ready, see how long it takes. Pretty tight then. Try not to go underneath the vehicle while it's jacked up in this manner. Yes, that's tight. Slowing us down, slowing us down. Just need to take the one bolt off. Pads up there. Where the fuck that is. As you can see, we've had our money's worth out of them, so we're going to change them. Yes. Now we're not even going to wire brush these because it becomes false economy if you start spending proper money on this car. New ones just slot into place nicely. Ish. Why do we run into problems now? Look at that, it's too tight. I wasn't expecting it to take this long. So if the squeal shims out, it'll fit then, look. Not having it, it's not having it. That one's still too tight. We've lost the race now, haven't we? Been overtook at a pole position. Yes. Right, see, camera went off then, and we got it in just as the camera went off. So now, drop this back down. Shit the slider out of the way, and we have a new bolt. I think, is a 12. It is. If I worked in a garage, I'd be sat by now because it's taken far too long. And now, we'll pump the brake in a minute. But first, put the wheel back on. And then we'll let Jack down. Now we can see the obvious patina that this has suffered in its life. Check your wheel bolts. Torque wrench. Click. Click. That's torqued up. That's one side done. Wheel trim back on. Pump it.